Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off Wi-Fi on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the bell button to notify you for the new updates. Okay, let's start. On your iPhone X, just go to Settings. In the settings, as you will notice, there's a Wi-Fi option. Just choose and click the Wi-Fi. On the right side of the Wi-Fi, you will see the switch button. Just press it until it becomes green to enable. And now we have successfully turned on your Wi-Fi. And if you want to turn it off, just press again the green switch button to disable. Okay, that's it, and we have now successfully turned on and off your Wi-Fi on iPhone X. And if you have a question, kindly comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.